I'm attorney Joey Franks, the big man with Big Man Law in Jackson, Mississippi. And today we are bouncing back over to Judge Middleton. We haven't seen him in a little while, so I'm glad to be back. And you're going to get a little bonus today because what happens, I have a very similar story that I'll tack in on the backside of things. So hang in there and enjoy the video.
This is file 241013, People versus Andrew Paul Hoekstra. That's you, sir?
Yes, sir.
You got stopped on June 5th for driving without insurance. That's very common these days. Driving suspended. And improper plate, the insurance plate charge, I call them driving while poor. People can't afford to get the plates or insurance, and then they're suspended. Let's take a look at your record. You did live in Lawton. You live in Three Rivers now?
Yes, sir.
Your operating license is revoked. Wow, for a long time. Have you done anything to try to get it back?
I have an appointment the 16th on a Tuesday coming this week to go to the Secretary of State, and I am going to have to get an attorney to have a hearing.
Has she been fingerprinted?
Yes, sir.
Well, good. Who's your attorney?
It'd be Kelly Page
Kelly Page?
out of Van Buren County.
Yes.
Gary Stewart is his side.
Yeah, they're very busy over in Paw Paw. What do you do, sir?
I'm a union pipe fitter.
That's rough because you got to drive to the job sites. 724. Plead not guilty. You want me to appoint an attorney for you?
Yeah, I'll look into get my own attorney.
Well, I'll appoint one. If you want to hire your own, you can. Set attorney pretrial for August 2nd. Defendant has retained Kelly Page. Gary Stewart. Van Buren County. Not guilty. Appoint an attorney and set August 2nd, 2024. Are you missing work right now?
I'm second shift.
All right. Where's your project right now?
I'm at American Axle.
Now that helps. All right. How'd you get here?
I had my buddy give me a ride. Yeah, it's kind of hard depending on.
Judge Stutzman saw you drive in this morning and park your car down the street. So if you were to talk to Gary Stewart or Kelly Page, they would tell you to stop driving a car. So I'll let you drive away and I'll have you arrested before you get to Three Rivers for driving with a suspended driver's license. Your driver's license is revoked for multiple drinking driving offenses. You haven't had a valid license since 2006. I suspect you drive all the time. You drove to court.
I'm not
and
driving,
then you
sir.
lied to me about driving to court.
I'm not driving. I have my buddy in the vehicle that is driving me.
All right. Let's bring him in.
Okay.
Can I say something?
Yes.
I was told by senior officer, you guys switch seats.
Okay.
It's on video.
It's my
It's
vehicle.
on-
Yeah.
It's on video that you drove.
Okay.
And then you guys switch seats.
Okay.
All right. So stop peeing on my leg and tell me that it's raining.
But I'm not
Stop-
driving.
All right. Well, you're not driving home.
Right.
You drove here and the other judge saw you get out of the car and walk in here, not your buddy, you. And so that's just plain dumb. If you brought somebody with you as a driver, why not have him drive? I was waiting to see what you were gonna do. You can drive home if you like. You won't make it to Three Rivers. If you're gonna spend thousands of dollars on a lawyer to help you get your driving record back, you might as well take it out and burn it in a campfire if you're gonna continue to drive a car, because you're just gonna get pulled over again. And I'm gonna put you in jail because I have a long memory. So stop driving. And they're gonna wanna see some actual proof that you have started the process. Also, you don't have any insurance. You don't have a proper plate. So is this the same car?
I have insurance.
All right, you have
I have
insurance.
two vehicles,
Okay,
the same vehicles. One's black and one's gray. What happened was my daughter is
all right,
had
well, don't say any more about it at this point,
okay.
but it must be registered in somebody else's name because you can't get insurance unless you have a valid license. At this point, you're presumed to be not guilty. Other than the fact that the circuit judge saw you driving, that's today. So I don't want you to drive away from here. Why bring a friend and then drive yourself? That doesn't make any sense. It just shows that you're not respectful of the fact that your privileges are suspended. It hurts my feelings when people lie to me. All right.
You already have this.
Yeah, all right. The bailiff's gonna take you out. Yeah, don't drive away from here. The bailiffs will call Three Rivers PD and they'll intercept you on the way home. All right, you can almost ride your bike to work from where you live to American Axle. All right, I'll see you on August 2nd. Don't drive that day either. Thank you.
All right, so this guy does something brilliant. He lies to a judge about what another judge saw, and they got him on video doing this. You cannot make this up. It is baffling. So, they obviously don't want him driving away. Judge tells him, I'll have you pulled over before you make Three Rivers. That's pretty hardcore. But I had a client one time who did almost the exact same thing. We were trying to work out a deal on a DUI case, and the judge said, well, I want you to take a urine test. And the guy took a urine test, and wada bing, wada bam, he popped hot for alcohol and something else. I can't remember what it was. But the judge then asked him, hey, didn't you have a dog in your car? I'm sitting there going, this is an awful strange question for a judge to be asking somebody. He goes, yeah, there's a dog in my car. He goes, yeah, I parked beside you. So here you are trying to get a plea deal and you got alcohol in your system. Oh man, sometimes it's like catching bombs. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video, and Judge Middleton is always a blast. I love to see how he tries working with folks even when they won't help themselves. Like I said, you can't make this stuff up. Well, I had a blast. Leave a comment if you've heard of something like this where somebody tried pulling one over on a judge and they were just caught red-handed by the judge or somebody in the court. We do have a video where the guy was had a no contact order in place and he showed up to court with the alleged victim. So what do I know? It's just great. Well, I had fun and I hope everyone has a great night.